Hello everyone. So if you want to switch from button navigation to gesture navigation on your Redmi Note 13, so first of all open up your settings. Now you're gonna scroll down to your home screen section. Here it is. In your home screen section, find your system navigation tab, open it up, and here simply choose gestures. Now you will be prompted to go through a little navigation. Let's do this. Press learn. Alright, now confirm your choice by pressing learn. Now you will be shown how to swipe from the bottom quickly. So simply do this. Right, this prompts you to go to your home screen, just like this. Now you're to swipe from the bottom and pause to open up your recent applications, just like this. Now you're to swipe right from the edge to go back to your previous tab, and swipe left from the edge to go back to your previous tab as well. And basically that's it. Press I'm done, and now we can use our gestures as our navigation. However, if you want to return to the buttons, once again open up your settings, open up your home screen, open up your system navigation, and simply choose buttons. And here they are back again. However, I'll prefer gestures. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.